In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV file on Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your CSV file into your Mailchimp content library so it's safely stored and easy to access for campaigns or sharing. First, head to the content section inside your Mailchimp workspace. This is the central library where Mailchimp keeps all the files you upload, like images, documents, and yes, CSV files. You'll typically find content in the main navigation. Click it to open your library, where you'll see your folders, recent uploads, and a button to add new files. Next, choose Upload. This opens the uploader where you can either click to browse your computer or drag and drop a file right into the window. If you've seen examples that mention PDFs, don't worry, the process is identical. The key difference is simply which file you pick. For our purpose, you'll be choosing a CSV file. Mailchimp accepts CSVs in the content library just like other document types, so you can host them, link to them in campaigns, or keep them on hand for team access. Now, select the CSV file from your computer. Before you confirm, a couple of quick tips can save time later. Make sure the file name is clear and descriptive, especially if you or teammates will search for it later. If you prepared the CSV in a spreadsheet program, it's best to save it in UTF-8 encoding and ensure the commas are the actual delimiters. Close the file on your computer before uploading, just in case your operating system locks it while open. Then confirm the upload and wait for the progress to finish. Larger files can take a bit longer. A stable internet connection helps prevent timeouts. Once the upload completes, you should see the CSV listed in your content library. You can click the file to view its details, rename it for clarity, add tags for organization, or copy a shareable link if you intend to reference it in campaigns or share it with a teammate. If you don't see the file right away, refresh the page or check any filters you might have applied in the library view. A quick note for context: uploading a CSV to content stores the file in your library. If your goal is to import contacts from a CSV into an audience, that's a different workflow within Mailchimp. For this walkthrough, you've successfully placed your CSV where it can be managed and referenced like any other hosted asset. That's it. Click Content, click Upload, and select your CSV file. You're all set to use it whenever you need.